Hello, I'm testing today, going out and about into the big wide world rather than just sitting in my room. So I'm just outside our house at the moment, and it's about 8 o'clock in the morning, so the traffic's sort of got underway and the birds are singing. It's a beautiful morning as well. The sun's out, the sky's blue, woohoo! There's not a cloud to spoil the view. I see the jackdaws have eaten all my fat balls again, bless them. I put them out and they annihilate them within a day, but I suppose the jackdaws have got to eat as well, haven't they? So I think today I'm going to go out and about and find my new Ogham stick, which I'm looking for an alder tree, which I should be able to recognise because it should have either little old catkins on it or little cones. So I might wait until the rush hour traffic has gone and then have a walk to the local park. And up at the back they've got a little wooded area, so I might be able to find an alder tree there. Oh, the primroses are out. Oh, they look lovely. Oh, they're so beautiful. It's nice actually to be walking outside and the sun's out. It's not freezing cold and windy and rainy. So yeah, I hope this is going to work all right. And I hope you can hear the birds because I've got used to the traffic now. And now all I tend to focus on is the birds. There's a lady that lives opposite us. Her name's, believe it or not, her name's Cherry Wild. It's just the best name ever. And she's an older lady, and she used to be, she used to live in the, at the church, what they call it, rectory? Yes, I think that's what they call it. She used to live there until her husband died. She was a teacher. And her house is opposite us on the other side of the main road. And she has got lots of trees, I mean quite a really big wooded area. Where I hear the birds in the morning, and we call it Cherry's Wood. So yeah. Anyway, I'm going to stop now for a bit, and we'll come back when we get walking for our little alder stick. Okay, so we're back out again. I've been busy making some printables this morning, so we're off to find an alder tree. Okay. Now I feel a little bit daft talking to myself, but I'm going to try this little walkway that's just up the back of our house. There's an old street with the pub on, and some really cute little houses, and then there's a little walk that is what used to be the railway line. It's obviously a lot of railways used to go across the UK, and then they were closed and abandoned. So yeah, there's this walk. I don't know what it's called. We'll find out in a minute. So I'll tell you what it's called when I get to it. Something I have forgotten is my little secateurs. So I'd have to hope that the tree is forgiving and lets me Right, Great Northern Railway path. I'm going to go quiet a bit because there's a few people about, so enjoy the birds. Oh, it looks nice down here today. A little bit of water as well. Must be. I'm not sure whether it's just a little stream, I think. There's some weeds growing in the water. Oh, I think I just saw a little fish. Oh yeah, there's some little fish as well. They're really tiny. Birds, it's just beautiful today. There's a little bridge with little red frogs on it. So I'm looking for a tree that might have little catkins left on it. Oh, it's such a beautiful morning. There's some old bits and pieces from the railway knocking about as well. The birds are really busy. At the moment I am all on my own, which is lovely. I'm not one for crowded walkways. I like being on my own. But I haven't yet found any tree that looks like an alder. Hello there, little Donnock. Hey. Hello. Oh, I'm so glad I've come out to walk. It really is delightful. I think I might do this walk a bit more often. Still no alder tree. I don't really care if I find one. It's just nice having a walk. Oh, there's two ducks there. two mallards. I don't know where this goes to now. really not sure where I'm going. This is a bit of an adventure. Oh, right, there's some steps up. Surely there must be an Alder somewhere around here. Looks like I'm going to the kids' play park. I hope you like the quiet bits in between me talking. I'm looking round. I'm listening to the rustlings. Right, up the steps. Some steps built into a bank that I think is going to lead me up to a road. So, see a lovely little blackbird up there. Oh, come on. Lots of twigs. No alders. Oh, right. Okay. Come up to another level. Still no alder. Hang on, what's that now? That's ash. It's making me be quite observant, this hunting for different trees. It's making me notice barks and leaves and twigs and buds and shoots. Oh my goodness me. Oh, I've just seen the tiniest little bird. Oh, I don't know what it is. Hello. Oh, it's beautiful. It's not similar size to a wren, but with a couple of little black and white markings. I'll have to go and look for that one in my book when I get back. Beautiful. A little feather just dropped down. Where did it go? It's got like a little crest on top of its head. A little yellow crest. Come tell me what you are. Oh. I'm going to stop this and see if I can take a photo. You can see things all starting to sprout. It's so exciting. Exciting time of the year, isn't it? Now, come on. No. I may have to wait until we go walk at the weekend. Because the weather's nice. Me and my husband were thinking about going a march out on Saturday. Because I cannot see any alder around here. I think they're sometimes near water. Maybe I'm not close enough to water around here. Oh, hang on 1 minute. I found one. There's a dog running around. I don't want to upset the dog. Oh, it's quite a big one, and it's got some catkins on it, and it has some of the little cones on it as well. I wonder if I can find any of the cones. Ooh, ow. I'll just have a little word with the tree. It's got a lot of stuff growing up here. Hello there. Hello there. Nice to meet you. Would you mind if I had a little twig? Would that be okay? Is there anyone in particular that would be better for you? I don't want to take anything good from you. It feels a kind tree. It feels a kind tree. I like you. Yes. Okay. Let's find a twig and see if we can take one. Would I be able to have this one? Oh. This one was a resounding yes. Thank you. I'm going to have a look now, see if I can see any. Oh yes, some of the little cones. Oh, they're beautiful. They're so nice. Thank you. I wonder if this twig is a little bit dead, but I think it should be okay. Could I take a newer one just in case this one? Right. There's lots all sprouting around it. No, you know, I'm going to go with my original choice. So I'm going to leave the rest of it there. And then we'll read about this tree. Alder energy will help you take up challenges, move into new situations and face things which you have previously avoided. It is a balanced energy associated with fire on the one hand, and yet its element is water. In the past, the wood was mostly used for its unique properties of becoming stronger when immersed in water. Okay, I'm going to go home. I'm going to finish my notes on the alder and see if I can make a nice Ogham stick with this lovely twig. Thank you so much. I'm going to stop this now and take a photo of this tree so I know where my sticks come from, so I can come and visit it again. Hello, so I'm back in the house now, in the studio, after going on our little nature walk this morning, which I thoroughly enjoyed. It was so nice to just be out there and feel the warmth of the sun and see things starting to grow. It was, quite beautiful. And the birds, I haven't found out what the little bird is yet that I saw while I was there. Maybe I should get my little book out and find out what bird it is. Where are we? Where's my little books? Here we go. Let's find it. I did do a little video of it when I came off recording my voice. So let's see if I can find. I've got this cute little book, and I'm sure it must be a common bird, surely. We don't have fancy birds around here. Not in the East Midlands, we don't. But then again, what if I have seen something amazing? See plenty of those jackdaws, little swines. Right. What type of bird was it? It was tiny. And it definitely wasn't a wren. Oh, this is really... Oh, there. That's it. Oh, it was a Goldcrest. A Goldcrest, that's what it was. So there you go, now you know. How sweet was that? Well, I think that's my little spirit animal for today, the little Goldcrest. I might read about the Goldcrest as a spirit animal and see what energy it was trying to give me. Use it as like an oracle. I think it's quite nice to use nature like that. When you notice something or something comes across your path, take note and find out about what energies that's bringing to you. So, I mean, the Alder itself, I'm pretty sure it's giving me some confidence for the next few weeks, which I'm sometimes lacking in. But yeah, I've got my little Ogham stick that I have made now, and I've got my little cones from my Alder tree. So I should put those on my little altar space, and maybe try and find a little picture of a Goldcrest, or maybe I could draw one. I'm not really a bird drawer, but I do love birds. Maybe I should find a way of enjoying drawing birds. My dad's a wonderful watercolourist, and he does the most amazing birds. He says he loves the details, and time just disappears when he's painting birds and butterflies. He likes doing butterflies too. Yeah, I think there's really done me good going out this morning. So I'm glad that I am setting aside time to do these little tasks. They're like little challenges, tasks to find these trees, but it's making me appreciate being outdoors and being near nature and understanding nature. So yeah, nature podcast today. I thought, when I've got the opportunity to just record my voice, it gives you different dimensions that you can go to. When I'm doing a video at home, I've got to set it up. It's got to be okay, and you've got to have the light's got to be okay, and all that sort of gubbins. But recording your voice, you can go bloody anywhere. I could sit in bed doing it, couldn't I? So I can still talk to you in different situations. So it's opened up new dimensions. And also in life, like when I do my journaling and I have the prompts, what did I see today? What did I do? How did I feel? And what did I hear? And it's important, all those different aspects of the day. So today I have seen a beautiful little Goldcrest. I have made a new Ogham stick. That's what I have done. I feel optimistic because of seeing all the new growth and everything. And I have heard a lot of birdies. And you have heard me. So I hope you're enjoying these other interludes with me. I'm enjoying learning new things. I think life is all about learning new things, and I don't think you ever stop. So on that note, I shall leave you. I will go and investigate my little Goldcrest as a spirit animal, and maybe have a look at ways that I could draw in my own styly birds that I could add to my art magic, and I could incorporate them in with my artwork to add that another dimension of the world. It's just full of possibilities, isn't it? Being alive is the most amazing gift ever.